Hi, adventurer. I'm Bristlewick, your guildmaster. Welcome to Eloria. I'm here to help you understand everything better. Let's take a quick overview of the template. First, your profile. Below the most urgent quests. Here is the magical gate with your daily and weekly quests. Then the graph for you daily quests. Here are us, the two quest masters, with you finished and unfinished quest. And finally, your inventory and the shop. Go to the top of your screen. This is you. Well, nearly. First, you need to give me your name, write it down here. Then choose an avatar, click on Add Icon, Custom, Upload File, and choose your image. Also click on Add Cover, Change Cover, Upload File, and again, choose your image. When it's done uploading, you can reposition it if you like. As you can see, you are only level 1, but I'm sure you'll soon become really famous. Below, it's the percent of XP needed to go to the next level. Near to the green tube, it's your total XP. You gain XP by finishing quest. And next to the sack, it's your total of gold. You gain gold by completing quest and by passing levels. If you click on your character, it will open a ton of complicated formula that I've written for you. Try to not go there unless you really know what you do. You can break everything if you are not careful. I also do Notion tutorial and coaching if you want a more personalized template. After you're finished putting your name, you can validate your quest by dragging it to Sneerfang the Shadow Goblin. Go back to the top, and you will see that you are now halfway to level 2. Keep up the good work, adventurer. Sometimes the template can be a little slow to use. Some computers may have trouble loading the whole thing, or maybe the Notion servers are in trouble today. To counter this problem, I added a toggle to the character and to the inventory. Simply click on the little arrow to hide it. It will speed the whole process. At any time, you can click on the arrow again to show your beautiful face and see everything else again. Time to go to quest number 2, adventurer.